Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about the best paid SAP courses available in the market and importance of SAP courses for a every CMA student to enhance or grow their skills or enhance their career. So guys, we first of all will discuss about the importance. So guys, nowadays we are seeing that organizations are demanding those candidates who has a good knowledge of SAP. So please understand the importance of SAP. Organization, corporate world are demanding more and more SAP candidate. Okay, apart from this, you guys can also understand the importance of SAP courses for every CMA student. Earlier CMA Institute itself providing for CMA inter student 100-hour computer training, but nowadays they replace with SAP courses. Okay, e-filling, Microsoft or Cambridge. Okay, so please understand the importance of SAP. Institute also understand the importance of SAP for their every CMA student. That is why Institute itself in the intermediate level providing SAP courses, and also for free of cost, and also for final and after qualified CMA they are providing SAP courses on nominal fees. So I will discuss about hope you understand the importance of SAP courses for every CMA student, okay, who want to grow or enhance their career in CMA field. So now we will discuss about the best paid courses available in the market for SAP. So first of all, whenever you ask to anyone, mostly those people will suggest you the Udemy. Udemy is one of the best place where you can buy SAP courses and also other courses. Okay, so Udemy is one of the best place. Sometimes Udemy also provide huge amount of discount in their different courses. So you have to visit Udemy from time to time, and you can also you can see when Udemy providing huge amount of discount. Accordingly you can buy SAP courses. Okay, SAP S4 HANA you can buy if you want. Okay, different SAP courses are available. Okay, and the second best places where you can buy the SAP courses is our mother institute, CMA Institute itself, providing the SAP courses to every CMA student. If a other professional can also buy the SAP courses. So I will discuss about the fee structure and course duration. So guys, my suggestion to student, after completing the final, you should start this SAP course. Okay, but I will discuss about the duration. So SAP duration is 100 hours. Okay, and you can complete this course in Saturday, Sunday. Okay, institute providing online classes in Saturday, Sunday, so it will not affect your job, your training. In Saturday, Sunday, in weekend you can also join this SAP course. Okay, 100 hours. And the fee structure of, if any candidate who are in the stage of CMA final, so total fees including GST is 17,700. Okay, total course duration. Institute also provide you the certificate. Qualified CMA 21,240 rupees. Okay, and other professional who are not CMA student or other than CMA professional, so can buy 23,600 is the total fees, and duration is 100 hour. Okay, although I will make a separate video the whole detail related with the CMA SAP course. Okay, so as of now, Udemy and CMA Institute, one of the best place you can buy the SAP course and you can rely. Okay, Udemy from time to time provide the huge amount of discount, but you have to visit Udemy websites. Okay, and Institute as a, you can say that, pre-decided fees. Duration 100 hour for CMA final student 17,700, qualified CMA 21,240 rupees, other professional 23,600. Okay, but my suggestion to you, after completing the CMA, you should first start your job, and in Saturday, Sunday you can pursue this SAP course. Okay, but in the stage of final you need not to start. It is my personal suggestion or personal opinion. Reason is that in the stage of final, your priority to complete CMA as soon as possible. Okay, you need not to take burden of these kind of courses. So hoping that you are understand. Okay, these courses are you can say importance, but after completing the final you will be free from your study, then you can start more and more courses. Okay, so this is the, you can say, demanding video from many students to make a best paid courses on SAP. So hope you understand the importance of SAP and best paid courses available in the market for SAP. Okay, still you have any doubt, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you, and you guys can also suggest me in other some other topic on which I need to make a video. Surely I will make a video on those topic also. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.